Welcome students. Currently we are understanding pronouns and their different types. In the previous class we understood many pronouns, and today also we are going to understand some other important pronouns. So the very first pronoun that we are going to understand today is called indefinite pronoun. So what is indefinite pronoun? Indefinite pronoun refers to persons or things in a general way. They don't refer to the persons or things in a particular way. Okay, so let's understand. As the name suggests itself, indefinite means not definite. When it is not clear, okay, when they generalize the things, or they generalize the noun, they don't make it particular. So indefinite pronouns, these pronouns these pronouns refer these pronouns refer to persons or things, refer to persons or things in a general way. Indefinite pronouns refer to persons or things in a general way. They don't refer them in a particular way. They do not refer to them in a particular way. In a particular way. Now see the examples. Example: do good to others. Do good to others. One hardly knows what one says. So one hardly knows what one says. These underlined ones are the indefinite pronouns. Some were present in the party. Some were present in the party. See some more examples. Few escaped unhurt. So these are a few examples of indefinite pronouns. So before we proceed further, let's have a quick look. Indefinite pronouns refer to persons or things in a general way. They don't refer to them in a particular way. Examples are: do good to others. One hardly knows what one says. Some were present in the party. Few escaped unhurt. Okay. So here few, some, one and others. These are the indefinite pronouns. Let's proceed further. When indefinite pronouns are used with nouns, they can work like an adjectives. Okay, so let's see how they are used as an adjective. They are used as an adjective in a sentence. So let's see. When indefinite pronouns are used as an adjective, they are kept near some noun. For example, as an adjective. We will see the use of indefinite pronouns as an adjective. Example, I will take you there one day. I will take you there one day. So here day is the noun and one, which is the indefinite pronoun, is used along with the noun, so it has become an adjective. Okay. He is a man of few words. Few words. So here again you can see that it is used as an adjective. Some boys are mischievous. Some boys are mischievous. So here you can see that some is used as an adjective. Okay. Now let's understand how these indefinite pronouns take some plural. Okay, in certain particular cases, these take some plural also. How? These take plurals also. Each of them got their share. So here each of them got their share. These take plural also, and this is in informal English. It's a very common that they take the plural. Every every one of the boy received their trophy. Every one of the boy received their trophy. So here we can see that plural is used, okay, along with these pronouns. Now another example. These pronouns may take the pronoun his or her as per the context. These pronouns may take his or her as per the context. He is glad to help each of his boys individually. or every one of his boys. You can also use here everyone. Everyone. He is glad to help each or every one of his boys individually. Okay, so here you can see that as per the context, you can take his or her. If the reference is to the boys, you can take his. If the reference is to the girls, you can take her. Now let's understand one example. These were the examples of indefinite pronoun. Now we will proceed further and understand about distributive pronoun. We have understood enough examples, so now no more examples of this of indefinite pronoun. Distributive. Distributive pronouns refer to persons or things one at a time. So let's understand. These refer to persons or things one at a time. One at a time. For example, and as these refer to persons or things one at a time, it means that they always take a singular verb. Okay, so they take a singular verb only. For example, neither of the boys is present. Neither of the boys is present. Either of the books is good. Each of the person received a gift. Received a gift. So here each of the person is happy. You can also write this. Each of the person is happy. So that can be another example. Each of the person is happy. So I hope you have understood distributive and indefinite pronouns. In the next class, we will understand some other pronouns also. So, before I end the class, I remind you that if you are a regular student, you recommend the channel, and if you are a new student, then you subscribe the channel. Okay. Thank you.